Lighting up the way. Valley Electric Association.
The town of Pahrump put on their annual fireworks show at Petrick Park last night. The 22-minute show presented by Zambelli Fireworks wooed the crowd. Families gathered on the grass area on the A and B fields with blankets, chairs, and even barbecues. Ace Country Radio simulcast the show on our radio station, 103.1 FM. All of us here at KPVM TV and Ace Country Radio hope that you had a wonderful Independence Day, and thank you once again to Zambelli Fireworks. This is Deanna O'Donnell for News 46.